Good day, everybody. I'm Rio Carmela Estavid, a 10-year-old student representing the grade 5 class. My motto in my life is Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not unto thine own understanding. Thank you.
Our early strength, a champion is defined not by their wins, but by how they can recover when they fall. My name is Maria Anja Nicole Di Ronquillo, representing the grade 5 class.
Hello, everyone. I am Tanya Percy Montalvo, a 10-year-old student. My motto is, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abdul Karim Humero from the grade 5 students. My motto is, nothing is possible with a dream. And I thank you.
Hello, I am Jeremiah Melancita Vilisma. I am representing the grade 4 class. My motto is, even in times of trouble, God is still with us.
It's a beautiful life.
everybody, my name is Adam Cian Artaboraga from the grade 5 class. My motto is never give up at the hard times. There's always something good that's happening to you. Thank you.
Thank you.